Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first launch the control panel and find here somewhere the screen recorder icon. If you don't see here this icon, just scroll down, find screen recorder option, add it to your panel. Go back to save the changes, and now just by hold for a while the screen recorder icon, you launch screen recorder settings. Just to change video quality, you should tap the video resolution section and switch your current quality to another one. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.